Hello everyone, it's Marco here. I want to review today in this video the peer-to-peer lending platform VIA Invest. So it's one platform that I heard about a lot recently, both in news from financial blogs and websites, also from friends that are also investing in peer-to-peer lending like me. So it seems to be a very fast-growing platform and many people like it. So I really wanted to check it out by myself. And as usual, I will test it with my own money. So I will invest on there. I will show you how everything works. And at the end, I will also show you my first returns on the platform. And I will tell you what I think about it. So what I propose is that we start right now. I will go over to my computer for the review of VIA Invest. Okay, so we are now logged in into my VIA Invest account. So I will now show you everything from VIA Invest, so from really loading funds to investing to actually automating your investments as well. So first thing, you will notice that I already have some funds into my account. That's because I actually loaded the account quite a long time ago to actually show you on actual money, right, how it will work. So I loaded, I think, around 700 euros, a bit less than that. Just to show you my early returns of the platform. So first thing you will have to do when you actually create an account, which is quite fast, it also takes less than 5 minutes, like for many other platforms. You can go to just add funds here, and what you will find is just the bank information from VIA Invest. So it's very easy. It took about 2 days to receive the money on the account. So that's what you will find on most platforms. Let's now go to invest here, which is what you will find if you want to actually invest the money that you just deposited on the platform. So on VIA Invest, you will mainly find consumer loans, right? So either credit line or short-term loans. The interest rate is usually around 11%. So that's quite good for like most of the P2P lending platforms. What's nice with the platform is that there is a lot of loans that you can invest in. So it's really great if you have some money to invest. Also, there is the buyback guarantee on all loans. That's also very nice as an investor, as it basically means that you will get your money back even if a loan goes to default. There are no fees as well on the platform. So there are no fees for the investor when you actually put your money in some loans. And also it's all in euros. So there is no currency risk because they all have it in euros. So you won't be affected if there is some currency swing at the moment. So that's most of the advantages of this platform. Also, what I need to say is that all the loans are pre-funded, right? So they've already been funded when they actually hit the platform. Meaning that it just open for investors, but as the loans are already funded, even if they don't actually reach the funding goal set on the platform, the loan will basically go anyway, and you will also get your return on investment. That's pretty cool as well. I found that, because even sometimes you would invest in some loan on some other platforms and you won't get your money just because the funding objective was not reached. So here I'm in the main menu for browsing loans, and you can see that if you click on one loan, you should be able to access those details. So basically what was the principal, what's available for investment, some details about the borrower, and some details about the loan itself. Of course, what I recommend, as for many platforms, is not to use that. Just spend some time to actually look at those loans, but what I really recommend here is actually using the auto invest feature, which will basically completely automate your investments on the platform. So here are the settings that I used that you can actually get inspired from. So I basically use the minimum that you can invest on each loan. So it's 10 euros here. That's what I recommend because it will really like diversify your investment into as many loans as possible. I chose interest rates between 10 and 12%. As you can see here, I didn't really put anything on the loan term because it's mostly short-term loans anyway. So that's not something I was concerned about. all loans, own status, also all the countries that are currently available on the platform. So there's Spain, Czech Republic, and Latvia that are currently available, and they are expanding into other countries. And buyback guarantee, of course, always yes. So even if something goes wrong with some loans, I will get my money back. And I just had this run basically for about 2 months, and let's actually see the returns. So you can have an overview of the returns here on the main dashboard. So that's my latest investment ideas. You can see that it's spread between 10 and 12%. So my goal is really to have something around 11% on this platform, because there are no loans with interest rates which is above 12%. So I imagine at the end it will be around 11. So here you can see that I actually receive in total of 60 euros since the last time since I first invested and activated the auto invest feature, and the net return, which is estimated of course, is about 11%, which is exactly what I wanted on the platform. So let's now see more details about this. You can see all your current investments in there. So that's all the investments I currently hold. That made sense. There's about 10 pages. I imagine 10 loans on each page. I had about 700 euros, so that would make sense here. So that's all the loans I currently own. You can see that there is 10 euros in each of those with between 10 and 12% interest. And let's go here to the statement to actually add the latest return. So you can see that I'm constantly receiving some money from those loans, either interest or principal repayment. And also here you can see that the auto invest function is doing its job and reinvesting automatically for me. So I can really say that so far I'm really satisfied with VI Invest. So as you can see, it's really like a down-to-earth platform. There is no some crazy extra features, right? It's just a really simple but very efficient also peer-to-peer lending platform. And what I really like, especially when doing this review, is that there is a lot of loans available in the sweet spot, which is about 11% of return with buyback guarantee. So on some other platform at the moment, there are so many investors also that you cannot find good loans anymore. But on this one, definitely you will be able to make your money work hard for you. So I definitely recommend it in anybody's portfolio because it's a fast growing platform. They have a very good service as well. I talked to their customer service many times. They're very good as well. I tried also to withdraw funds. There was no problem at all. And yeah, just activate the auto invest function, make sure to set it a buyback guarantee, and you will be just fine. So to sum up, something I would definitely add in anybody's peer-to-peer lending portfolio. Of course, as usual, don't make it the only platform you would invest in just because it's great. Just have it along other platforms that you will find that are similar also with buyback guarantee, and you will quickly be able to really build a solid peer-to-peer lending portfolio. So this is already the end of this review of VI Invest. I really hope that you enjoyed it. As I said in the video previously, when we were on the computer, I really enjoy the platform. I think it's a great platform because of many reasons, that the buyback guarantee, the fact that there are many loans, the fact also that there are many short-term loans on the platform. So for all those reasons, I think it's a great addition to anybody's peer-to-peer lending portfolio, because what I always preach, so to say, is that you should always diversify your investment in peer-to-peer lending. It's so easy to open an account, it's completely free. So I really encourage you to try out VI Invest and to add that to your peer-to-peer lending portfolio. That being said, if you have any questions about what you heard about in this video, please feel free to leave them below. If you are watching this on YouTube or Facebook, you will also find the link to the corresponding article that I constantly update with news about the platform when I get new returns, for example. So again, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.